Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the shortcut gesture for taking a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn on our gesture screenshot taking, we have to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features we have Motion and Gestures, and at the bottom here it is, Palm Swipe to Capture. So swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Let's check this little box and let's check if it's working. Yep. It's working as intended, as you can see. So this option is turned on by default, but if you want to change it, turn off, turn on, it's right here. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, goodbye.